Here are YouTubers. We're coming today with something a little bit more entertaining than usual. We're just doing some sort of strange test really involving this old school trio oscilloscope, and I'm going to murder you in a minute if you don't stop messing around. Yeah, so there's me and my buddy here. We're just testing out this Yaesu kind of like condenser mic, which is made for a radio with a 7-pin connector, and it's going to like a phone connection. Yeah. It's a nice mic.
That condenser mic is actually a dynamic mic.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, you know what I mean. So yeah, my friends adapted this here, and we've been testing the wave with the oscilloscope, as you can see. So we've got it kind of bodge connected right now. So it's gonna suck basically for the moment, but it's an interesting test.
Well, let me try and.
Okay.
Right.
As you can see.
You speak into that.
As you can see, when I speak, it directly reacts to my voice, which is a way of telling us the microphone is perfectly okay. So in a sec, we're going to play some heavy frequency through it and see if the line is a bit different. We're using Shaman by the Widdler for this. It's a cool picture, by the way.
So you ready?
You're ready.
Alright.
When this tune drops, we'll see what it does. This is gonna be fucking awesome, I think. That's fucking awesome. Well, that is fucking awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. That was amazing. I'll see you in the next video. Wildfirebend.bt and the ERSV blog saying, catch you later, guys.